Hello everyone, I Harsh Rathod, Assistant Professor, Sage University Bhopal. Today I am going to discuss with you on course Quantitative Aptitude and Logical Reasoning on topic divisibility. So let's start. Divisibility. Tips to check divisibility of numbers. First, divisibility by 2. Is the given number is divisible by 2 or not? How we can find? Suppose we are taking an example 6, 4, 5, 7, 8. We are only focusing on unit digit 8. If this unit digit is divided by 2, then your entire digit is divisible by 2. So 8 is divisible by 2, then 6, 4, 5, 7 is divisible by 2. And if this unit digit is not divisible by 2, then your entire digit is not divisible by 2. Okay. Divisibility by 3. Again, we are taking one example, how we can find the number 6, 4, 5, 7, 8 is divisible by 3 or not. First, sum of its all the digit 6 plus 4 plus 5 plus 7 plus 8 is equal to 30. Okay. First step is sum of its digit 6 plus 4 plus 5 plus 8 is equal to 30. Then check this sum is divisible by 3 or not. If this sum is divisible by 3, then entire digit is divisible by 3. Okay. Taking another example, 6, 4, 5, 7, 6. Is this number is divisible by 3 or not? So again, follow the step. Sum of its digit 6 plus 4 plus 5 plus 7 plus 6 is equal to 28. Now check this 28. This sum 28 is divisible by 3 or not? 3 into 9, 27. That means 28 is not divisible by 3. Result is entire digit is not divisible by 3. Divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 or not? We are taking one example 6, 4, 5, 7, 8. Okay. Now checking the last two digit. Last two digit is 17. Divide these two digit by 4. If the last two digit is divisible by 4, then your entire number is divisible by 4. And by dividing 78 by 4, it is not exactly divided by 4, so your entire digit is not divisible by 4. Taking another example, 64580 is divisible by 4 or not? So again, considering last two digit 80, if 80 is divided by 4, then your entire digit is divided by 4, and no, 80 is easily divided by 4, then your entire number is divisible by 4. Divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5 only possible if their unit digit is either 5 or 0. If we only see last number is 8, then it is not divisible by 5. Last digit is 5, then it is divisible by 5. So unit digit may be 0 or 5 for the divisibility of 5. Divisibility by 6. Taking example 6, 4, 5, 7, 8. Here we apply two rules, divisibility of 2 and divisibility by 3. For checking the divisibility by 2, so unit digit must be divisible by 2, and unit digit is 8 and it is divided by 2. That means the entire number is divided by 2. Now sum of its digit 6 plus 4 plus 7 plus 8 is equal to 10, 30. Then this 30 is again divided by 3. That means this number is divided by 2 and 3. So it is divisible by 6. So conclusion is that number is divisible by 6 if number is divisible by both 2 and 3. Another example 6, 4, 5, 7, 6. 6 is divisible by unit digit is 6. 6 is divisible by 2. It's okay. But here we write 6. 6 is divisible by 2, then entire number is divided by 2. But while checking its sum, we conclude 28, and 28 is not divided by 3. So that means entire number 6476 is not divisible by 6. Divisibility by 8 is as similar as 4. For checking the divisibility of 2, we consider last 2 digit. For checking the divisibility of 8, we consider last 3 digit. Here is the example 64578. We are taking last 3 digit 578 and checking this 573 if 578 is divided by 8 or not. If 578 is divided by 8, then your entire number is divided by 8. If not, then it is not. So here we conclude 578 is not divided by 8, then 64578 is not divisible by 8. Taking another example, 64576, is this is divisible by 8 or not? We are considering last 3 digit 576. 576 is divided by 8. So the result is entire 6476 is divisible by 8. So this is very short tricks. On the basis of this trick, we conclude any number is divisible by 8 or not. If suppose very long number is there, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 5, 7, 6. It's very lengthy number. We need to find it is divisible by 8 or not. So simply we consider last 3 digits. Another number, divisibility by 9. If number is divisible by 9 or not, how we can find? We can understand by considering example 64579. Sum of its digit, which is equal to 31. Is this sum is divided by 9 or 9 is divided by 9 or not? If not, then it is not. 6479 is not divisible by 9. Why? Because the sum of its digit is not divided by 9. Considering another example, 64575 is divisible by 9 or not? Sum of its digit is 27. This 27 is divided by 9. Then the entire digit is divisible by 9. Divisibility by 10, unit digit must be 0. For checking the divisibility of 10, here is 5, not divided by 10. Here is 0, it is divided by 10. Very simple. To find whether any number is divisible by 11 or not, we need to understand the concept. We check difference between sum of each digit at odd place and at even place is either 0 or divisible by 11. So let's start by considering an example. 64575 is an example. Position 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So sum of the digit which is placed at even place. So even place is 4, 2 and 0. Under 4, 6, under 2, 5, under 0, 5. So we sum of 6 plus 5 plus 5 minus sum of digit placed at odd place. Odd place means 1 or 3. Under 1, 7, under 3, 4, 4 plus 7. Okay. So while calculating this, 16 minus 11 is equal to 5. Neither it is 0 nor it is divided by 11. So this digit is not divisible by 11. Okay. Considering another example, 64075. So sum of the digit placed at even place. So even place is 6, 0, 5, which is 11, minus sum of the digit which is placed at odd place, 4 and 7, which is 11, 0. So digit is 0. Digit is divisible by, entire number is divisible by 11. So thank you students. I hope you like this video.